Coming up on Mobile Learning in the Classroom, Canary Learning. Hi, I'm Zoe Falls, and today on Mobile Learning in the Classroom, we're going to look at Canary Learning. Canary Learning is basically a grade book, and it integrates into Google Classroom, which is why it caught my eye, because I'm always interested in things that are going to work seamlessly with Google Classroom and make that interface work really well for teachers and for students. So this is a free app for teachers and then for the students, and you log in through your Google account, but students can do assignments that are both handed physically around in class, and you can do digital assignments. So we'll go ahead and we'll log in, and I logged in using my Google account, so again, you don't have to worry about multiple sign-ins. It's the same password, and it'll go in seamlessly. And you can set up, like most of these applications, if you have multiple periods and you teach different classes, you can set up one for each class. And you do that over here in the classes section. And so if we go to our main launch page, it gives a calendar. It shows sort of what you have going on, homework that you still have outstanding, so stuff that students haven't turned in but that you have assigned, and then different assignments, resources that you've set up for students, and then even some teacher resources. You can see who has late assignments, and they list by name, and they tell you which assignment it is, and then you can see assignments that you have coming up. So it's really nice that it's all right there on one screen for you. And then if we go ahead and go into the grading section, so it's going to say that this test student that was put in there didn't submit any work. So you can assign 0 points, or you can leave ungraded and go to the next student. And it's nice that they just give you those one-click options. I'm always interested in anything that's going to save me time while grading. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that ungraded. And again, that will assign 0 points. So it's just showing no one assigned any work because I didn't put any work in here. But you can also build in lessons. And we'll go ahead and create a new lesson. We'll title it Test Lesson. And then when we go into it, create a new assignment, test assignment. And then again, you can have categories, and we're going to make this a project. So required submission, it's graded. So again, it's really, you can make these, so if it's an in-class thing and it's not graded, but you want them to use the platform, you can do that. If they don't submit something, but it's still graded, so it's a project, or I don't know, some other sort of oral presentation maybe where there's no submission that would be digital or in class, you could do it that way. So there would be no submission, but it would still be graded. You can give it an amount of points and then select the due date, and then you can lock it and unlock it. So if it's locked, the students can't see it. And then you can upload a file. So if you have an assignment sheet already existing, this is the beauty of it. You can use all of the content and stuff that you already have and load it in there. Or if it's a website URL, you can plug that in there. So we'll go ahead and add in something that I have from my class. It does force you to upload a document, which to me is a limitation of it because not all of my assignments in my class have a really detailed assignment sheet, so that it is something to be aware of while you're using this. We'll go ahead and submit that random file, and we'll say it's worth 5 points. Maybe that was it. Maybe it needs, okay, so it's going to make you require points. So you have to put in a number. And I think you can put in 0. So if it's not graded or for whatever reason worth 0 points, you can have assignments with 0 points, but the program will make you assign points. So we'll go ahead and save that. From everything that I've read and in their frequently asked questions, it does integrate into Google Classroom. because from what I've seen with Google Classroom, one of their limitations is the grading of assignments. So this might be a nice way to help facilitate ease of grading, ease of assignments, and maybe give you some more options as an instructor to make that transition from whatever you're currently using, or if you just want to try something new, maybe make that a little bit more seamless for you. So again, this has been Canary Learning, and from the main jump page to the way that you can grade assignments, it seems to be a pretty decent way to help you as an instructor keep track of everything and get assignments graded. So I'm Zoe, and this has been Mobile Learning in the Classroom.